Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So we completed a series of 1 liter accessory access pouch, utility pouch, or tech pouch for different brands. And now it's time to do a final verdict. What are the top 3 1 liter capacity pouches in the market today, which you can pick up? I'm Hassan here from PackWiseGear, and let's conclude our 1 liter pouch series by announcing the 3rd position in the pack. The 3rd position goes to Aer. This is Pro Kit, 1.7, 1.8 liter capacity. We have seen the layout in our video series for 1 liter pouches. It's fantastic. From capacity wise, materials, what it can carry, versatility it can provide to you, and how you can use this on your daily basis. It has multi-purpose capability and is a fantastic pouch to have in your arsenal. All right, let's move on to number 2. The number 2 position in 1 liter capacity goes to Greenroom136 PencilPusher. Greenroom is not sponsoring this video. This is purchased by me on my own funds, and I use it on daily basis since I got this. I have in 2 different colors. This is the X pack, and I have the signal blue. I have modded it where you can, as I talked in my review video, with different zipper pulls and how I use it as my med pouch. Fantastic, excellent capability, excellent access. There are some cons which I have discussed. That's why this is on number 2 position. And price is good, very versatile. Comes with 2 different, look at that capacity, 2 different pockets. And also, it kind of meets the both world, where you can carry your tools and also carry your tech, power banks or cords or whatever. So the 2nd position goes to Greenroom136 for releasing this fantastic pouch, PencilPusher. Now, drum roll. The last but not least, we have a winner in 1 liter capacity, and that goes to EVERGOODS Cap 1. Love this pack. I've been using this forever. Use it for different capabilities. Has beautiful structure, beautiful layout, beautifully designed by Kevin, the lead designer in EVERGOODS, and beautiful materials, fabrics, colors. I wish they have more colors. Using it on daily basis, use when I travel, use as my dop kit, sometimes use as my med pouch. Fantastic versatility. Love this pouch, and they deserve to be in a 1st position by creating such awesome product for us. All right, thank you guys. Well, this was a quick roundup video on, we have discussed various pouches in 1 liter capacity. I just want to make my final call, my final verdict on top 3 positions. Keep watching PackWiseGear.